Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture the screenshot on Microsoft Word without third-party app. Sometimes people would like to add the screenshot on their documentation. For capture the screenshot, we can use the Windows snipping tool or any other third-party app. But Microsoft Word has the feature to capture the screenshot without any third-party app. Let's learn how you can capture the screenshot by using Microsoft Word. So in your Word document, click on the cursor where you would like to place the screenshot. Then you have to click on the insert. Under the illustration section, you have to click on the screenshot. You can capture the entire screen or to select the particular region by using screen clipping. So if you would like to capture the entire screen, you have to select the screen what you would like to capture the screenshot. By default, all the screens will be displayed here. We would like to insert the particular region, so we have to click on the screen clipping. So now the selected region will be displayed in your Microsoft Word document. So in this way you can capture the screenshot and add in your Microsoft Word document without any third-party app. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.